Okie dokie, so I have to make a second video because the other one was too long. All right, so now we are going to review the conjugation, okay? Present tense conjugation. Okay, so present tense conjugation for regular verb is very easy because what you do is you drop the ending. What's the ending? The ending it's AR or the ER or the IR. You drop it and this is what you're going to add, okay? Depend who is doing the action. This is what you're going to add. For example, I have hablar, which is to talk, right? And you want to say we talk, okay? We talk. So what you do is you drop the AR and you're going to add amos, all right? So again, and then for example, for this verb that ends in air, I'm saying that in Spanish, AR, air, comer, which is to eat, I eat, yo como. So you drop the AR and you add an O, yo como. So what you need to do, well, at this point you should know this, but we are just reviewing, right? So all the verbs that ends in AR, this is the endings. All the verbs that ends in ER, this is the endings, and all the verbs that ends in IR, this is the endings, okay? Always, and this is only for regular verbs. So I'm going to use another verb. For example, leer. Why? Leer. It's a little bit weird because you have two vowels together, which is leer, which is to read. So how would you say, I read? Okay, so remember, well, this is so, okay, maybe I can do this. So leer ends in ER, right? And I'm the one who's going to do the action. Yo. And then you're going to drop the ending. What's the ending? This is the ending, right? I'm going to drop it. And I'm the one who's doing the action. And what you're going to add according to this. Oh, yo leo un libro. All right? I know leer is weird, but in it, that leo sounds like a name, but it's not, okay? That means you read. Another verb, you only do this with regular, no irregular. Another verb will be nadar. Nadar is to swim. Swim in the pool, nadar. Let's say you are doing the action right here. Nadar, this is nadar. So the ending is AS. So you drop it and you add AS, and then you come up with a noun. Tú nadas en la playa, okay? Complete sentence, always complete sentence. Okay, let's review. Now we have the stem changing verb. That means you still have to do for those verbs the endings, like this one, right? You have to see who is doing the action, what's the ending of the verb, all right? Because you got to drop and you got to add the endings, but at the same time, you have to change the stem. This first E is the stem of the verb querer. This O of the verb poder is the stem. This E of the verb servir is the stem. So when you conjugate, look, querer to, it means to want. Poder means to be able. And servir means to serve. When you conjugate those four verbs, you have to change the stem. What does that mean, change the stem? You're going to change that E, see, for IE. IE, IE, IE. Plus the ending, you have to do this too, okay? Now, that O change for UE, and that E change for I. This E is not like this one. You see how this one changed for I, E, this one changed just for I. Okay, but you see how this one doesn't change, how this one doesn't change, this one doesn't change. Okay, so you change the stem for all of them except for nosotros. All of them except for nosotros. all of them except for nosotros. So what the books, if you look at this, what is this picture? This is a boot. And whatever is inside the boot, you're supposed to change the stem, and whatever is out, you don't. I don't know if this worked for you. It's kind of silly, but if it worked for you, then apply. All right, whatever is inside the boot, you change the stem. What it's not inside the boot, which is always nosotros, you don't change it. Okay? Okay. So now we have this similar formula like this one right here. Okay, so we talk about ir plus a place. Okay, this is indicate where you're going. And then here we have a similar formula, which is ir plus a plus infinitive. Infinitive is a verb that is not being conjugated. For example, hacer, comer, decir, bailar, estudiar. You still have to conjugate ir. You use the preposition a, but you do not conjugate the second verb. When you talk like that, you are talking about what are you going to do, right? In the future, what you're going to do, which that is equal to going to, okay? I am going to cook tonight, see? In Spanish, to talk like that, this is the formula. Yo voy a dormir 10 horas. I'm going to sleep 10 hours. You only conjugate ir for the one who's doing the action, okay? All right, so this is all for Lección Preliminar. So let me close this. Yes. So now, yes, you're going to see 2 videos of the Lección Preliminar because I cannot make those videos too long. So after you watch the videos, right, you go back. All right, and then what's next? It's week 1 assessment / homework. You click on it. You click, open it. Okay. And I want you to keep the same tile, okay, the same name of the file, all right? And I want your name here, and I would like you to answer here if it's possible. Please answer here, okay? You answer here. Oh, yeah, I don't know what I did, but you know what I mean. Okay, I don't know anything about technology, but anyways, you answer, I don't know. I'm pretty sure you know better than me. So you answer right here, and then you save, and then you send it to me, okay? And it looks like that's the only assessment or homework you have for that week, okay? So if you go back, that's all for week 1. You're welcome to keep working ahead. That's all up to you, all right? But just always work in order, all right? Don't skip anything. Don't skip anything. But you do have another homework, okay? So this homework is you're going to go to Vocado, which is right here, and you are going to record your voice. I want you to say 2 complete sentences. One using ser, one using a star, okay? 2 sentences. 2 sentences. And you send it to me with all your homework. Okie dokie? Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Adios.